Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party available on your Android? And firstly, I went to the Play Store and checked what product XIAOMI offer for us. So right here we have 4 applications. So XIAOMI earbuds and Mi Fitness, it's not for all, also with Mi remote controller. So we can add XIAOMI speaker only to XIAOMI Home application. So we need to check supported speakers in this application. We need to open the app, we need to sign in into the application. Then click at the plus at the right top and add device. Then we need to scroll down and find speaker. And right here in entertainment we have speaker, so let's open it. And as you can see right here we have only 4 speakers. And our model Sound Party, there is no Sound Party speaker. So my short answer is no, the application do not available on your Android device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.